Thank you to Native for sponsoring. More on them later. Anatole France said, "If the path be beautiful, let us not ask where it leads." I think about paths a lot. We walk on them every day, literally and metaphorically, of course. Each path leading to a different destination. Sometimes many paths leading to the same one. It's funny because I always think I'm walking slowly on the path, soaking it all in, so to speak. But I don't walk slowly. I tend to power walk on my paths. That can be good or bad, depending on how you look at it. Like when I looked at this footage I filmed. At the time of filming, I thought I was walking slowly. I had to laugh because it looks like I'm running. That's me, running through life. Efficiency and productivity, my strong points, right? I've been working on that this year. Changing the definition of both those things for myself. I'm going to explore that in today's video. Where do those attributes take me? I'm not sure, but I do know I'm not in California anymore. Hello everyone, Jennifer here, and welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. We are in England, and it's great to be back. My Anglophile heart has a strong connection with this country. The beautiful home and gardens you're seeing are my mother-in-law's home. It's so stunning. I'm hoping we can do a house tour of the big house for you in a later video. Meanwhile, our flat is looking gorgeous, and it's wonderful to be back. Here's a little flat tour for you. So I noticed something about myself. As soon as we got here, I became a bit jumpy. I felt like I needed to go see a big tourist attraction and film it for the channel. And then I caught myself. This is that ever-working aspect of myself. I don't want to say workaholic, but basically. It's my obsession with efficiency and productivity that I mentioned earlier. My work mind wanted to get footage in so I wouldn't be stressed about it, but my body and really my soul wanted to rest. Prior to this, it's been a very stressful season. I felt like I needed to slow down. So that's why you're seeing me cleaning the kitchen and making coffee instead of at the Tower of London. My theme this year is really inspired by the poem I wrote called The Seeker. I will listen to my body. I spent over a decade ignoring it in the name of productivity, but I know that this footage can be just as edifying for you, the viewer, as some spectacular travel vlog. It's time to enjoy my coffee outside. The English countryside is so beautiful this time of year. It's unseasonably warm in England, warmer than it is in California, funny enough. I soak in the fresh air and greet my animal and insect friends, mainly the birds. But how charming is this? The most lumbering bumblebee I have ever seen was buzzing around me as I had my breakfast. I filmed him and I was delighted to find him flying into his home in the wall. Is that not straight out of Beatrix Potter? It makes me think of the tale of Mrs. Tittlemouse. She was described as a most terribly tidy, particular little mouse, and then Babbitty Bumble came into her home and ruined it all. I'm going to enjoy my breakfast now. You know me, as soon as my feet hit the ground in England, I long for terra mazzolata. I'm having it here on sourdough baguette with a hard-boiled egg and some probiotic yogurt with strawberries. And of course, my coffee. I'm going to take a minute to tell you about Native, who have kindly sponsored today's video. Native make daily staples like deodorant, body wash, lotion, toothpaste, hair care, and skin care. They are clean, vegan, and cruelty-free. I love all their products, and I've been using their deodorant for years. The Native deodorants really work. They provide long-lasting odor protection. Of course, I wouldn't even think of traveling to England without it. I love their plastic-free line because it uses the same formula as their regular deodorant, so aluminum-free, paraben-free, vegan, and cruelty-free, but it's sustainable. It has earth-friendly packaging and is 100% plastic-free. Native has a huge range of scents to please anyone. These are the ones I chose this time: coconut and vanilla, lavender and rose, and unscented. And the texture is never sticky, so this worked so well when we were traveling on the plane. Use my link and code DailyC11 to get 20% off your first purchase at Native. This offer is available site-wide, but only for a limited time, so stock up and save. Monday night in our village, the church bells ring. It's truly wonderful. They're also rung on Sundays to call people to worship, but all throughout Great Britain, you will hear them once during the week too, usually when the ringers hold their practice session. I looked up the history of ringing church bells, and this is what I found. Bells were first authorized for use in Christian churches in around 400 AD, and by about 600 AD, they had become common in the monasteries of Europe. The earliest English ring of church bells appeared in the 11th century. I wish this happened in our town in America. I love it. It's like the whole community comes together when they hear these beautiful bells. We've been going on a lot of walks in the evenings. This was filmed around the time of the summer solstice, so it's been staying light until nearly 10 p.m. We certainly enjoy looking at the wildlife, seeing the horses, walking the path. I like to think on walks and contemplate things. I feel calmer in nature, and the clean air and expansive sky certainly help to clear my mind. Hearing the church bells ringing in the background make all the difference too. I hope you enjoyed today's video. look forward to sharing our many adventures with you in the coming weeks. Thank you to Native for sponsoring. Use my link and code DailyC11 to get 20% off your first purchase at Native. This offer is available site-wide, but only for a limited time, so stock up and save. Thank you for watching, everyone. Keep calm and remain classy, and I will see you in my next video. Love, Jennifer. Thank you.